Waterfall Resort. I'm Michael Folks with Fox Sports and Inside Sport Fishing, and we're located here on the southwest corner of Prince of Wales Island, just outside of Ketchikan, Alaska. And over the next few minutes, we're going to show you why the Waterfall experience is one of the ultimate sport fishing destinations in the entire world.
The moment you step off the plane and are greeted like family at the waterfall, you realize you've just arrived at a very special place. Because for over 25 years, the Waterfall team has been assembling one of, if not the finest fleet of boats, captains and crews in all Alaska. Professionals at the top of their game, all committed to one thing, making your time at the waterfall an experience that you'll never forget.
About 185 right now.